Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create a Jira project. It's very simple process to create a Jira project. Atlassian website. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here, new tab, and just simply enter your Jira account. How to create Jira account? I already make a video how to create a Jira account, and this is my project dashboard of Jira page. I already created one project name. That one is a Research Rocks, and this is my dashboard related on Research Rocks. How to create a new project. So this is my dashboard as a consider Jira software. So click here projects and look at this, create a project option are coming here. If you click here, so here product delivery or IT management, sir, which types of project you want create. So I just simply select here IT management, use this template and create a project related information here. So I just simply type here Research Rocks development, and the Research Rocks project key comes here RRD. This project key is also important for upcoming videos. I will show you this research project related information. Team type, which types of team you have, legal, information technology. I select this one. Otherwise several options are available here. Your team member, channel access open or restricted. So you can, if you are administrator of this project, so you can do as a restricted, otherwise you can do as open, so anyone can very easily add, modify and delete this one. So share setting option always come, demo service project, recent project. So I just simply say recent project, create a project, wait a couple of seconds, and boom, your project is created. Research Rocks development, this is a project. So next point come here, how to create issue. Your query is simplify, create an issue. So IT same, Research Rocks, you just simply type here the summary of the project. This is a demo, create an issue, and you can put it here some of the information as well, create them. So one issue is created. If I refresh here, so look at this, one issue is created for the Research Rocks development project. Demo, the summary of this project. Reporter means administrator, and assign, you can assign here the specific person, or so how many people are working with this with you and your team. Accordingly you just simply assign, and he or she automatically assign and then report. So here the option is coming, status is ongoing. So if you assign someone, so always the project is going on in progress because of someone are working on this one. And timeline, this is a timeline tomorrow 5 o'clock, because of this is a service projects, not development project, so that's why the timeline is just only 1 day. So this is a process to create a project in Jira account. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.